welcome to Arjun English School. I hope you all are doing well. In 11th standard, chapter is chapter number 8 function, and this is the second class for this chapter. In earlier class, I have already completed the theory part as well as some practical sums, but now there are different sums for your practice purpose, and I have noted all types of practical for these chapters. Okay, so here from section C, question 4, question 5, question 7, question 14, and from section D, that is question 1. All these questions are having different types of question, and we are going to start all types of question with proper explanations. So here in question number 4, you can see that domain A is equals to 2, 3 and 4, and we want to find out the range. So as we have explained in the last class, if we want to find out the range, then in function equation put the values of domain. So function equation, that is g of x is equals to x plus 1. So in this equation put the values of this domain, and value is 2, 3 and 4. So here instead of x, value is 2, 3 and 4. Here x plus 1, so 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 and 4 plus 1 accordingly. Answer 3, 4 and 5. So this is called range, and range is denoted by RF. That's why RF is equals to 3, 4 and 5. Understood? So this is the first type of question where the domain is given and we want to find out the range. So this is the first method. Then second type of question where they ask about types of function. You know there are three types of function, that is one function, then after many one function and constant function. Okay, so here function is there are the values of domain, that is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Codomain values are 1 to 20, and k of t, that is t square plus 2. K of t, that is t square plus 2. Here it is the function equation. Here there is a value x, and here there is a t. So in this function equation put the values of domain and get the answer accordingly. So in t square plus 2, first we put the value -3 plus 2, then -2 square plus 2, -1 square plus 2, 0 square plus 2, 1 square plus 2, 2 square plus 2 and 3 square plus 2. So here we find the values accordingly. So first of all, -3 square plus 2, square of any negative value, it becomes the positive, and that's why square of -3 it becomes the 9, and 9 plus 2 it is 11. Same way, square of every negative values it becomes the positive. So square of 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Again square of 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3. Square of 0, 0 plus 2, 2. Square of 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3. Square of 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Square of 3, 9 plus 2, 11. So you got all these values according to the different elements of domain, and our final answers are 11, 6, 3, 2, 3, 6 and 11. If you listen this value, you can check very carefully that some of these values are repeated again. That is 11, then after 6 and then after 3. So how many values are repeated and for what of the elements? That is, if I am comparing that 11 match for the value of k minus 3 and k3. So k minus 3 is equals to k3. Same way k minus 2 and k plus 2. Same way k minus 1 and k plus 1. So here you can see that these three values are same. It means it is many-one function. Why? Because any two values if repeated again, then it is called many-one function. If none of these values are repeated, then it is called one-one function. If any two values are repeated, then it is called many-one function. And if the answer of all these values are same, let's say 5 at each value, 6, 11, whatever. But if the answer is same for all the values, then it is called constant function. Understood? It means if the values are same, it is called many-one function. If all values are different, it is constant function. If all values are same, it is called. If all the values are different, then it is called one-one function. And if all the values are same, then it is called constant function. Here it is a many-one function because values are repeated. So this is the second type of question. Third one, where range is given, because RF stands for range. Range is given -2, -1, 0, and P of x is equals to 2x minus 3. Find the domain function. We have studied question number 4, where domain is given and we want to find out the range. Here it is the opposite side question, that range is given and we want to find out the domain. So here you can see that in this function equation, instead of x, we put the value and we got the function answer of function equation. Here the answer of function equation is given and we want to find out the value of x that is for domain. So in range you can see that there are three values. So this function equation that I have plotted for 3 times, 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, where first answer of range is -2, then after -1, then after 0. So -2 is equals to 2x minus 3, -1 is equals to 2x minus 3, 0 is equals to 2x minus 3. Okay. Now we have to find the value of x, that is called domain. So how? Simplify it. -3 goes into the opposite side. -2 plus 3, answer is 1 is equals to 2x. Now if we want to find the value of x, 2 goes into the denominator, x equals to 1 by 2. Once again, -3 goes into the opposite side, plus 3, -1 plus 3, we got the answer 2. 2 is equals to 2x, and now if we want to find the value of x, 2 goes into the denominator, 2 by 2, answer is 1. Due to lack of space, I have cut down one step here, and if you want to solve by this way, then it's okay. And if you want to put one extra step to solve this, then also it's fine. Now and last here, -3 goes into the opposite side, it is plus 3, 3 is equals to 2x, the denominator x equals to 3 by 2. Now for three values of range we got three different answers, and that's why x is equals to 1 by 2, x is equals to 1, x is equals to 3 by 2, and that's why we can say that domain are 1 by 2, 1 and 3 by 2. Now if I am comparing these two answers, then you can check that here domain is given, we want to find range, here range is given, we want to find domain. If we want to find range, then put the values of domain instead of x. And if we want to find out the domain, then put the values of range instead of function, that is p of x. Got it? So these three types of question that I have completed. Domain is given, find range, find the types of function, and find the domain when range is given. So here I have put the main heading, that is range is given, find out the domain. Now four types of question. This is very simple, you already studied 8, 9, 10, where this is the function equation and we have to put the values instead of x. So function equation is 6x cubed minus 5 raised to x plus 15. Now instead of x we have to put the value 0. So f of 0 is equals to 6 zeros cube 5 raised to 0 plus 15. If any cube value of 0, it becomes the 0, and 0 multiplied by 6, it is the 0. Then after 5 raised to 0, answer is 1, and at last plus 15 as it is. Now if I am simplifying that 0 minus 1 plus 15, we got simple answer 14, that is 15 minus 1. So these types of question can also ask in the exam, where any kind of equation given and they have provided put the value instead of x. Okay, so these four types of question that I have noted. One extra sums for your exercise purpose, that is section D. These types of question we completed in the last class, where set A given, set B given. Set A is equals to 10, 20, 30. Set B is equals to 18, 48, 98, 128, 148, where f of x is equals to 5x minus 2. Obtain domain, codomain and range. Okay. Now, here it is a set A, here it is a set B. First set that we call domain, second set that we call codomain. So domain is equals to A is equals to 10, 20, 30. Understood? Second set that we call codomain. So codomain B is equals to 18, 48, 98, 128 and 148. Domain, codomain. Now they ask you to find out the range, and range that we have already completed. Domain is given, we want to find range. How? Put the values of domain in function equation. Same way here, put the values of domain in function equation. Function equation f of x is equals to 5x minus 2, where the values of domain 10, 20 and 30 put accordingly. So instead of x it is 10, 20 and 30. Now if I am solving this, 5 into 10, 50 minus 2, 48. 5 into 20, 100 minus 2, 98. And 5 into 30, 150 minus 2, 148. So these are three values of domain and these three values are of range. That's it. So finally, we have completed these 5 questions having a 4 different methods. First one, domain is given, find out range. Second one, range is given, find out domain. Third one, types of function equation. And fourth one, put the values of x in equation. chapter 8 and you have to complete this entire chapter. Please send me photos in your group accordingly, and from the next class we are going to start another chapter in accountancy. So thank you for the today. If you have any doubts, then